Guys, so I am back with another video. Do you like my hair? Of course. Boom, boom. So these dreads are lovely. You guys know it is summertime still, I think, and dreads is like the go now. You can get in the pool with these things. You can do anything with these bad boys. So I just decided to get them a little bit shorter because it is hot, and you know, we gotta stay cool at all times. I'm just gonna show you guys how I installed these bad boys. First off, guys, you want to begin with clean hair. Make sure your hair is clean. Okay, my hair is clean and blow dried. And if you need to flat iron it, go ahead and flat iron it. I part my hair down the middle so that I can section off the hair, and then from one ear to the other, but I stopped at the midsection. Now, each of these parts that I did is going to be 4 plaits or 4 dreads, you can say. So I'm starting off by using any gel, whatever gel you use, and I'm sticking my hair, then I'm going to rubber band it into a ponytail. And this is going to be the leeway that the dread hangs on to. So I'm just going to do that for the rest of the section. I'm gonna go ahead and do exactly what I did on this side to the other side. Okay, so now we're looking all good, all good. Now, if you guys can't braid, maybe you can just go ahead and put this hair in a ponytail or try to twist it up or something, but you need leeway so that the dreads can hang on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a couple straight backs on my hair so that the dreads can hang on those. I just went ahead and finished the rest of the braids off of camera, and now I'm going to show you guys how to apply them. So the hair that we're using today is going to be Dsoar hair. Their dreads are very nice and they look really, really light. Now the paper you see, guys, is just my address and everything that I'd ordered. Now the dreads, honey, I had to get them in a color 4 because I like a more of a natural kind of color. My hair is a bit darker, but 4 it really goes. And it's so cute because they sent me these beads that I can put on the hair, and stay tuned for that video because I'm going to show you guys how I apply them. And you will most definitely need a crochet needle. I just love how they sent me the crochet needle. I just feel like it was so, you know, I didn't have to go and buy me one. Now these are the dreads. I'm so excited to put these dreads in my hair. I just want to go ahead and show you guys the loops that the dreads are. They're like a big of a size, but can you guys see how realistic those dreads look? Okay, they look real. Now I'm just gonna take the crochet needle. I always go through the back of my rubber band just because I like the way the dread falls. Now you're gonna loop it onto the crochet needle, close the crochet needle, and pull it back through the rubber band. So once you put it through the rubber band, you just can unhook it, and you're gonna go in your fingers inside the little hole that they gave you, and you're gonna take your hair and the dread and pull it through the loop that they gave you inside the dread. Okay, so we're got one down. You guys are probably wondering, what are we gonna do with this hair that you have left over here? Okay, let me go ahead and show you guys. Now, whatever gel you use, you can go ahead and put that on your hair and wrap it around your hair, okay? Just keep on wrapping it until as flat as possible, and you'll get something like this. I went ahead and sprayed some Got To Be spraying on my dread, like where my hair was, so that I can lay it down. And if you guys are gonna see later, I tied my hair down and it went perfectly well. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys again how I go ahead and do my dread, how I put it onto my hair. Make sure to put it through there with the crochet needle, grab your real hair and the dread together through the loop, pull it, and then you're going to take your real hair and wrap it around the dread. Two down. How many more we got left to go? I don't know, guys, but I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward this part so you guys can see how the process went. So I went ahead and finished every part of the front of my hair. Remember, guys, to always go through the back of whatever leeway you guys have, and I just do that because I like the way the dread falls. If you go through the front, the dread will most definitely fall a different way. Now that we're all completed with the front, I want to show you guys how I do my braids in the back. My braids in the back, I go under from the bottom, put it through, grab the dread, the crochet needle, and the reason why I go under is you guys will see the dread falls completely down once you do that. Now this way is completely different because you don't have any hair to put through the loop. So you're just gonna take the loop that they gave you and you're gonna put the dread through that loop. And then you'll have a dread that looks perfect, just like this one. It falls the way that it goes. Do you see that? Because sometimes if you do it wrong, then the dread, it won't fall that way. It might actually lift up or give you a bulky kind of look. You guys are wondering how much of a gap do you give between the dreads. Whatever kind of gap you want to give, guys, go ahead and give it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the entire head from this side and you guys will see how I look. Don't that look good? You can't tell me it does not look good. I'm loving this hair, guys. Again, I will be showing you guys how I apply the accessories to my hair, but for the most part this hair is nice. I love the length. The length is perfectly fine by me. I can tie the hair up, get it out of the way, and it is just doing wonders. I think it fits my face. Look how gorgeous you look. Oh my gosh. And it's just bomb. Okay, again, guys, to see how I apply these beautiful beads and how I decorate it, how I did my edges, just go ahead and watch the video down below, and everything will be exactly how I did the hair, how I did my edges and everything. Okay, and that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this hair. I want to say thank you to Dsoar Hair for sending me this hair. I really appreciate it. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.